To further personalize your device, you can select widgets. Widgets are a feature which displays personalized content such as news, weather updates, calendar events, and more. As a user, you can customize your widget feed to show the most relevant information. To access widgets, go ahead and either select on the weather app in the corner or hover over it and it should pop up, or you can simply use the shortcut WinW. As you open widgets, you'll notice that you'll have a variety of content displaying. In the left is your widgets. This can be personalized based off widgets of your choice. To find widgets that you prefer, go ahead and select the Add Widgets button. From here, you can go through a variety of different widgets you can pick from. For more options, select Find More Widgets. In this case, let's go ahead and add Focus Session. Once you find a widget of your choice, go down and click Pin. Once pinned, you should now be able to go through and find your new pinned widget. To organize your widgets, you can simply hold and drag your widgets vertically across your widget board. To remove a widget, click on the More Options button and select Unpin Widget. On the right-hand side, you have a news feed. This can also be personalized based off what you follow. To adjust this, simply select on Following and then add a channel behind your interests. Widgets can also be integrated with the Notification Center to get automatic updates regarding personalized content relevant to you. This can be done through the settings.